It's not too much to say that we live in a world of coding. But what is coding? Your first thought is probably that it is related to computers. But could there be more to it? I'm Susan from Luxrobo, and I'm going to teach you about coding. The textbook definition of coding is the inputting of instructions in the form of a language that can be understood by computers. It's like using a foreign language to speak with a foreigner. Coding is a language that lets you communicate with computers. But just like learning a language, learning coding is not easy. With Modi, you can learn coding in a fun and easy way. Modi's modules make it possible to create anything with coding. Modi has 3 types of modules: setup, input, and output. With these 3 module types and our Modi Studio software, you can learn the basic concepts of coding in a fun and easy way. Isn't it amazing? There is so much potential for anyone to create something awesome. Then, let's start learning about coding. First, go to luxrobo.com and download Modi Studio. Follow the instructions to install and run the software. Since this is our first class, I will briefly go over the Modi Studio interface. It is divided into 3 sections. Starting from the left, you can see a palette with statement blocks. Then, there is the editor field, where actual coding happens. And on the right is a module map that shows which modules are plugged into the computer. The statement blocks in the palette are tools for giving commands to the modules. Drag the statement block you want to use to the editor field, and a condition box will appear. Through this box, you can create your very own coding. Easy, isn't it? In the module map, you can see what modules are connected to the computer. You can drag the modules you want to change into the editor field. And then, with the statement blocks, you can give commands to them. Here's another way to look at it. The statement blocks are like your pens. The editor is your paper. And the modules are the subject lines for the message you want to write. So select the module you want to communicate with. Write your message, and then send it. Ta-da! I will teach you more about the statement blocks next time. This was Susan from Luxrobo.